Hello friends, I am Tejal and today I am going to share some information regarding the priority queue. Priority queue is another part of the queue. In yesterday we learned circular queue and in a previous lecture I will show what is the simple queue. Now today I am going to share some information regarding the priority queue. First of all, what is priority queue? In priority queue, each element is assigned a priority. Priority of an element determines the order in which the elements will be processed. Okay, तो यहाँ पे प्रायोरिटी दैट मीन्स हम किसको प्रायोरिटी बोलते हैं? दो टाइप की प्रायोरिटी है, वो मैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में दिखाऊंगी. दो टाइप की, लाइक असेंडिंग प्रायोरिटी एंड डिसेंडिंग प्रायोरिटी. ठीक है, बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी हैव टू परफॉर्म. ओके, but before study that we have to understand some rules how to use the priority queue. First, an element with higher priority will be processed before an element with lower priority. And second one, two elements with the same priority are processed on a first come first serve basis. उसका मतलब क्या रहेगा? जिसकी प्रायोरिटी सबसे ज्यादा रहेगी उसको पहले चांस मिलेगा, बाद में जिसकी प्रायोरिटी कम है उसको लिया जाएगा. और दूसरा क्या है कि सपोज दो एलिमेंट है और दोनों की सेम प्रायोरिटी रहती है, तो जो सबसे पहले आएगा उसको हम पहले चांस देंगे. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस. There are two types of priority queues. First one is the ascending priority queue and second one is the descending priority queue. Ascending, that means in this type of priority queue, elements can be inserted into any order but only the smallest element can be removed. You can understand which element can be removed first. Only the smallest element can be removed. And inside descending priority queue, in this type of priority queue, elements can be inserted into any order but the largest element can be removed. Let's see array representation of the priority queue. How insertion operation is happening in a priority queue. While inserting an element in a priority queue, we will add it at the appropriate position depending on its priority, and it is inserted in a such a way that elements are always ordered either in ascending or a descending sequence. You can see the example of array representation of a priority queue. You can see here there are two pointers, front and a rear. Two data are stored at A of 0 position 15 and at the A of 1 position that is 10. Okay, whenever your data will be added, or we can say that data will be pushed, that time your rear pointer will be incremented by 1, and whenever you delete some data from the queue, your front pointer will be decremented by front pointer will be incremented by 1. Okay, so in second step you can see, suppose if I am adding another data that is like 20, first कितने थे 15 और 10. Whenever I am inserting any data 20 like 20, it will be situated at the first position. Okay, and our rear pointer will be incremented by 1. You can see that for your insertion is happening from the left hand side and your deletion will be happening from the another way. Okay, so you can see the 25 at the 0th position. Array representation of priority queue. Deletion of the deletion operation. While deletion, the element at the front is always deleted. See the example. What was the previous queue said? 25, 15, 13 and 10. At the position of A of 0, 25, at one position 15, second position 13 and third position 10 data. Now see how deletion is happening. So your rear pointer is A of 3 and your front pointer is situated at A of 0th position. Suppose if I am saying delete 20, then what happen? Our front will be incremented by 1. That means 20 will be deleted. suppose next pointer delete 15, then what happen, our front pointer will be again incremented by 1, and so on. You can delete your data from the queue. Hope you are enjoying my lecture. Hope